right, ladies and gentlemen, we've been talking about solving equations. We talked about the one steps with we're adding and subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Now we're going to go into two steps, right? So let's flip our foldable up to our two steps. And let me explain something. When you're doing two-step equations, you kind of want to do use PEMDAS when you have equations like what we have here today. And you're going to start by working backwards. So you're going to do your add and subtract first, and then multiply, divide. So when I'm looking at number one, do I have addition? Yes. So in order for me to get that away from that variable and move it to the other side, I'm going to do the opposite, like we did in the one steps, and I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down your 3x. Bring down your equal sign. 23 minus 2 is 21. Divide both sides by 3 now to get x by itself. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. That's how you solve a two-step equation. Let's look at number 2. The difference is now I have a negative 2y and a minus 7. Here they were both positive in addition. First thing though, I have subtraction. Let's do the opposite, which is add. Bring down that negative 2y. Your negative 7 plus 7 cancels, and 3 plus 7 is 10. All right, now let's divide negative 2 by both sides. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is a positive 1. So now I can just bring down y, and 10 divided by negative 2 gives me a negative 5. All right, let's look at number 3. In order for us to solve for n, it looks just like number 2, just change numbers on us. So let's go ahead and do our add subtract first. In this case, to do the opposite of minus 8 is to add 8 to both sides. Bring down your negative 3n. Cancel your 8s because that makes 0. And then 7 plus 8 is 15. All right. My next step, get n by itself by dividing negative 3 by both sides. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1, so we can just write n. And 15 divided by negative 3 is a negative 5. Okay, let's look at number 4. It says k over negative 2. Now all the other ones we had the multiplication at the very beginning. In this case we have division. Do I do division first? Nope. I'm going to get that 7 to the other side first. In order to get that positive 7 to the other side, we are going to subtract 7 from both sides. Bring down that k over negative 2. Cancel your 7s, that's 0. And then 10 minus 7 is a positive 3. Because it's a division, the opposite of divide is to multiply. So we're going to multiply that negative 2 by both sides. So k is equal to negative 6. All right, let's look at our word problems. It says 3 more than. So 3 more than means to add the product, which means to multiply. So we're going to use x here. A number, which is your variable, so we'll say y, and 4 is equals 15. So we're going to say 4y plus 3 equals 15. Now they want us to find the number. So I'm going to write that over here again so we can leave this for our viewing. Minus 3. Bring down your 4y. 15 minus 3 is 12. Get y by itself. Divide 4 by both sides. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So y equals 12 divided by 4 is 3. Let's look at the next one. This one said more than on number 5. Number 6 said 5 less than. So that means to subtract 3 times. All right. A number, we'll use y again, equals 1. All right. So this is going to say 3y minus 5 equals 1. Let's solve 3y minus 5 equals 1. First, we're going to add 5 to both sides. 1 plus 5 is 6. Divide 3 by both sides, and y is equal to 2. All right, the next one we're looking at is number 7, the product. That means to multiply of 2 and a number, so we'll use y again, is increased by 9, all right, which is plus 9, and the result is equals negative 17. So the product of 2 and a number, so 2y increased, so add by 9, is resulting to or equals negative 17. Let's solve for y. First thing we're going to do is subtract 9 from both sides. Cancel those out. 2y equals, now remember you got two negatives, so we're going to bring the negative down and combine. It's going to give us a negative 26. Now divide 2 by both sides. So y is equal to a negative 13. All right, last one, number 8. If you subtract 3 from twice, so 2 times a number, your y, the result is equals 25. So 2y minus 3 equals 25. Add 3 to both sides. 25 plus 3 is 28. Now divide 2 by both sides, and y is equal to 14. All right, glue this in to page 52 in your IMN and complete the one-step and two-step equations on page 53.